you know that the main reason washing machines are so loud, especially those conventional washing machines, it is actually because of the unbalanced loads. With Samsung VRT Plus digital inverter motor, this sensor actually keep the drum perfectly balanced even at high spin speed, regardless of load size. So you see now, the machine is running at 1400 RPM. Even during spinning at 1400 RPM also, sometimes you hardly know that the machine is actually running. You can hear me, right? Very clear. And actually the machine is currently spinning at 1400. And furthermore, I also put 1 glass of water on top of the washing machine. Even though the machine is now currently spinning at very high speed, the water inside the glass not even had any vibration. It's so much quiet, with less noise and less vibration, so we can do our laundry at any time. Just perfect. Okay, now this is another example. The machine is currently spin at 800 RPM with the laundry inside. It's so much quiet. Less noise while delivering the outstanding performance. Thumbs up to Samsung EcoBubble.